good evening and a very warm welcome to yet another Dhamakedar, Faradedar and Mazar session by Vedantu Young Wonders on the Final Pariksha Revision Series. Welcome to the session guys, and today we are revising two very important chapters from your grade 8, that is Conservation of Plants and Animals and Cell Structure and Function. Two very important chapters. First one is not that lengthy, but cell, it is pretty lengthy chapter, learning about the different cell organelles, etc. But we'll try our best to make these chapters as easy as possible. So once again, a very warm welcome to all of you, wishing you all a very belated Happy Republic Day. So Republic Day is the day when in the year 1950 on the 26th of Jan, India finally became a republic, which is when we adopted the constitution and India became the largest democracy in the entire world, right? So we are the largest democracy in the entire world, which means the government of the people, for the people and by the people. Recently, I don't want to get there and I don't want to be politically correct or incorrect, but recently things are going on in our country which we all need to know about, and we should, being the backbone of this society, because you are kids, you are going to be the backbone of the future of India. We should make sure that every moment, or every thought, every action, every idea moves towards the development of a healthy and proud India. That is what I want to say. So, very warm welcome to all of you to the session. Let us start going and let us begin creating a great India by conserving its biodiversity. India is one of the countries which has got, many biodiversity hotspots in the country, which means that we have got places where the biodiversity is pretty rich, it's pretty great, and people from different corners of the world arrive in our country to observe the flora and fauna. So let us begin learning about conservation of plants and animals as well as cell structure and function. So before we start the learning, let me tell you that subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders because it's absolutely free of cost. Recently we had touched 4 lakh subscribers and now we are at 4,13,000, and our mission is #golden button 2021. So to make that dream come true, to make Vedantu Young Wonders a household name, to make this Young Wonders a family of millions, I need your support. It is not going to be possible without your support. Reaching till here was not possible without your support. So I want all of you to subscribe to the channel at least by the end of January, which is in the next 4 days. At least let us be 425. Right? So right here I want you to subscribe. Here is the logo of the channel. You can see the logo of the channel right here. That is the subscribe button. It's absolutely free of cost. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders and become a part of the family. Also, do not forget to share this video as much as possible so that all of you who are in grade 6 to 8 can learn for free from this platform, right? And guys, apart from that, if you want to learn, if you want to be a step ahead, if you want to learn more than your peers are learning, if you want to play the quizzes with me, if you want to see the leaderboards, if you want to have a one-on-one interaction with me, if you want me and the amazing class teachers team of Vedantu to solve your doubts live in a class, if you want to attend a live class on the Vedantu platform, which has got more than 70 features to make the experience of learning live online phenomenal, and it is the best platform to learn live online in the entire country, and that I am not telling because I am a proud Vedan, but that is what is the data says. So if you want to learn from the best platform in the country, then you have got to take the Vedantu Pro Subscription, which is giving you a revision course, a fast track revision course. In 30 days, your entire syllabus will get covered. And guys, for that, you don't have to pay a fortune. It's just rupees 2,000. Just rupees 2,160 for 200 live classes, right? So if you want to buy the Vedantu Pro subscription, the link will be pinned in the chat right here. You can see the link is pinned in the chat. You just have to go on that link, use the discount code. Because we are Indians, we need discount in everything. Use the discount code PRPRO and enroll for Vedantu Pro subscription. You can learn with me and all the other amazing teachers. You get teacher of your choice, timing of your choice, language of your choice. 4 subjects: English, Math, Science, Social Studies. 4 subjects of you get to learn from the teacher you want, at the timing you want, in the language you want. So 200 live classes in just rupees 2,200. Not even 2,200. It's 2,159, which means you're just paying rupees 11 per class. just rupees 11 per class. Think about it, right? In which you're getting to compete with students across the globe, replays, quizzes, leaderboard, handwritten notes of the teachers, and downloadable content. Apart from that, you're getting live doubt solving in the class, tests, assignments, access to more than 5,000 micro courses, and a free preparation for competitive exams. Right? So the more classes you buy, the lesser you pay. So guys, if you want a trial, every day there is a free masterclass. Every day on Vedantu platform, there is a free masterclass. Attend that for free and see if you like the platform, if you like the feel, then you can buy it. So on YouTube you get how the teachers at Vedantu teach. But if you attend a masterclass, then you get to experience the Wave platform, and it's free of cost. So you can attend a masterclass and decide whether you really want to buy it, and you need to, you can be a step ahead than everyone else. So you can think about it, and that's it. So the discount code is PRPRO, and you just pay rupees 2159. So the actual cost of the course is rupees 2699, but after you use the discount code PRPRO, you get a flat 20% discount, and you end up paying rupees 2159 for 1 month, in which you are getting 200 live classes of 4 subjects. Right? So that is just rupees 11. It's cheaper than a packet of Lays, and yes. And a very big thank you to all of you, because on Instagram finally we are a family of more than 1,000 followers. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for showing the love. I know I have not been able to reply to like tons of messages. I've got tons of messages on Instagram and I've not been able to reply. So actually a lot is going on around me at the moment. Like since morning 9:30 to night 9:30, I am non-stop taking classes and promotional events and videos and this and that. I am so busy that I'm not even getting time to eat. Like, you won't believe, I've not even eaten my lunch yet. My lunch is ready and it is right there on the dining table, but I've still not eaten it. I am not, like, even if I'm getting the time, I'm mentally not in a state to sit and enjoy my food. So that is what is happening with me. But yeah, I have to shake myself and come back to routine, and a lot is going on. So that is why in that also, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for making my Instagram page a family of more than 1,000 followers. We all are a family, and I've always been telling on this platform, whether it is YouTube or my classes or any other video that I do, that you guys are like my little brothers and sisters, because like I'm not that old. So I'm not that old, so you guys are like my brothers and sisters. So little brothers and sisters. So thank you so much, yaar. Thank you. Spread the word. Let us become more and more stronger. And okay, so on Sunday I'm traveling. So I think Sunday from the airport I can go live, and I'll update you. So let us do an Insta live on Sunday. So I'll tell you the timing, and I'll be live on Instagram on Sunday. We'll decide the time. I'll put it on Instagram that what time I'm coming live, and then let's have a live discussion, right? So thank you so much for everything. And guys, today we are going to revise conservation of plants and animals along with the set. So what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation is the rampant cutting down of trees, right? It's the clearing of forest. It is the clearing of forest and using the land for various purposes. It is called deforestation. You can say rampant cutting down of trees for human activities. These human activities, at least you remember 5. At least 5 is very important. 100% guaranteed question, what is deforestation, for 2 marks. Urbanization, agriculture, fuel, industry, furniture, and then what are the natural causes of deforestation? This can also come for 1 mark. Natural causes of deforestation can be forest fire and droughts. Okay? They are the natural causes. Natural causes why deforestation happens. It is forest fire, like naturally a forest caught fire and everything got burned. Yes, she did, Arun. Yes, you are right. Okay? Chalo. So guys, that is about deforestation. It's quite easy concept, but it is definitely asked in the exam. Okay? Chalo. So guys, moving on. Consequences of deforestation. What happens because of deforestation? Now guys, see, all know that trees are the lungs of the earth. Trees will take in carbon dioxide, and because they take in carbon dioxide, they help to maintain the temperature. Because they take in carbon dioxide, they help to reduce the pollution. So because of deforestation, there will be global warming, there will be pollution, right? There can be floods and droughts because trees control the balance of nature. Because of trees, there is rainfall. But if there are no trees, there will be no rainfall, and that can cause a drought. Also, trees hold the soil. If there are no trees, the soil cannot be held. It will cause soil erosion, and because the soil is not there, nothing can absorb water, and because water will not get absorbed, it will cause a flood. So trees can absence of trees can cause global warming, it can cause pollution, it can cause droughts, it can cause floods. Apart from that, it will reduce the fertility of the soil, and yeah, see, water holding capacity, groundwater level decrease, lot of problems because of absence of trees, right? Chalo. Guys, I'll be taking all the names later alligator, है ना? All the names I'll be taking later alligator. ठीक है? चलो. Moving on. Flora and fauna. So guys, remember flora मतलब flowers, right? So flora are the trees and fauna are the animals. Many of you get confused between flora, fauna. Flora are the plants and trees. Fauna are the animals. Okay? So in an ecosystem, there should be a balance of flora and fauna. Flora is the tree part and fauna is the animal part. Okay? So that is flora and fauna. Right? Moving on. Okay, so wildlife conservation. Due to threat from mankind's indulgence, it is important for us to conserve the forest and its wildlife. So there are different ways in which you can do it. There is wildlife sanctuaries, there is national parks. What do you mean by biosphere and biodiversity? Biosphere is a part of the earth in which living organism exists. Biological diversity is the variety of organism existing. Okay? So the ways in which you can prevent or protect the biodiversity is wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, right? Do you know recently there was a leopard spotted near Banerghatta in Bangalore. So in Bangalore there is a huge national park called Banerghatta National Park, and near Banerghatta National Park there was a residential colony, and in that colony a leopard was spotted. So early morning the milkman spotted the leopard in the building and he alerted the officials. The officials came 6 hours. 6 hours they tried to catch the leopard, but he was not found anywhere. They tried to find him and catch him and put him back into the national park, but they could not find him. And this has just happened 2-3 days back. So you know, it is very important for us to provide the animals, to provide the plants their habitat. If you don't do that, they will definitely attack your habitat, right? So it's very important for us to look after the plants and animals, because if we are taking their space, we should give them space as well, right? So that is about protecting the biodiversity. Okay? Then okay, so coming to cell. So what is cell? Cell, I'll just tell you a few points about cell. Okay, I'll just tell a few points about cell. Please pay attention. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. He saw the cell in the bark of a tree. That's the cork of a tree. Okay? Then Anton van Leeuwenhoek, later on he again observed cells, and then Rudolf Virchow, Schleiden and Schwann. These three people gave the cell theory that every organism is made up of cells. Cell arises from pre-existing cell, and cell is the structural and functional unit of life. These were the three postulates of the cell theory. Cell can be a prokaryotic cell or a eukaryotic cell. Now, if you talk about the parts of the cell, you have got cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The cells who do not have a nuclear membrane. So न्यूक्लियस के अंदर बहुत कुछ होता है, ठीक है? तो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जो न्यूक्लियस का मटेरियल है, there are some cells who don't have this membrane. तो अगर suppose there is a glass and in glass there is water, if you take out the glass, the water will spill, right? Similarly, in prokaryotic cell there is no nuclear membrane. So the material of the nuclear membrane, which is called the nucleoid, it is scattered in the cell. Example of prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell. Bacteria is a prokaryote. All the other cells are eukaryotes. They have a proper, well-defined nuclear membrane. right? So we have got the parts of the cell are divided into three main parts. You have got the cell membrane, nuclear membrane, cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Cell membrane is common in all the cells. Cell wall is only present in plants. Okay? Then talking about cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure. It has got different parts in it, and they are called the cell organelles. Example, vacuole. Vacuoles are the empty spaces which store food, water, and waste. Vacuoles are big in plants, they are small in animals. Then we have got plastids. Plastids are the color pigments. They are present only in plants. Example, chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast. Apart from that, you have got mitochondria, which generates energy in the cell. It is also called as the powerhouse of the cell, right? Then lysosomes. Lysosomes are the suicide bags. They will kill the cell organelle which is no more in function. Then you have got nucleus. Nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It has got all the genetic information because nucleus has got nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm has got chromosomes, and chromosomes carry the DNA, and a part of the DNA is the gene. The gene has the genetic information, right? So that is about the cell organelles. Okay? So prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell we have done, right? Then that is what I already told you. Ribosome synthesize proteins. Okay? Cell wall present only in plant cell and fungi and bacteria, but cell membrane in every cell. तो पहले cell wall आता है, उसके बाद cell membrane आता है. ठीक है? So organelles, nucleus, chromosomes, DNA. So the part of the DNA is the gene. A segment of the DNA is the gene. ठीक है? Chalo, moving on. Okay. So now let us do the keywords and then let us go to the Menti. Biodiversity is the variety of organisms present in an area. Biosphere reserve is a protected area where no hunting, poaching is allowed. It is to protect the biodiversity. Deforestation is the act of cutting down of trees for human activities. Desertification is when a fertile land turns into desert because of lack of trees. Ecosystem is the combination of all the living and non-living components of the environment. Endangered are the species who are on the verge of extinction. Okay? Endemic species are also in danger in a particular area, who belong to a particular area, like say yak. So yak belongs to the mountains. Endemic is when a particular species belongs to a particular area. That is endemic. Okay? Extinct, which is already over, already gone from this earth, like dodo, like dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are extinct. Flora are the plants of a region. Fauna are the animals and birds of a region. Migratory birds are the birds which move from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter during a particular season. Like Siberian cranes, also called saras, they migrate from Siberia to Bharatpur every winters. National Park, again, it's a protected area to protect the biodiversity. Red Data Book is the book in which all the species are listed, whether they are endangered or extinct. Reforestation is when you're converting a deforested land back to a forest. That is reforestation. Afforestation is when you're planting trees somewhere where there were never trees. So there's a difference between reforest and afforest. Reforest मतलब forest था, काट दिया, फिर से forest बनाया वहाँ पर. Afforestation is यहाँ पे कभी forest था ही नहीं, and you are planting. That is afforestation. Sanctuary is a protected area for birds or animals. Cell is the structure and function unit of life. Cell membrane is the cell protecting layer around the cell which separates the cell from the outside. Cell wall is present only in plants. It is made up of cellulose. It is freely permeable. Cell membrane is semi-permeable. Chloroplasts are the organelles present in plant cells which contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. Chromosomes are thread-like structures present in the nucleoplasm of the nucleus. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure present throughout the cell. That's it. Which has got the cell organelles. Eukaryotes are the cells which have got a well-defined nuclear membrane. Gene is the segment of the DNA which contains genetic information. Multicellular means cell which is made organism which is made up of many cells. Nuclear membrane is the wall of the nucleus. Nucleolus is the central dark part present inside the cell. ठीक है? Nucleus is the brain of the cell which controls all the activities of the cell. It controls what will go in and out of the cell. It also contains genetic information. Organ is a group of tissues. Organelles are the parts of the cell. Plasma membrane, cell membrane is only called plasma membrane. Plastids are the colored pigments present in the plant cells. Prokaryotes are cell without a well-defined nuclear membrane. Pseudopodia is the false feet present in amoeba, which helps it to locomote and catch the food. Tissue is a group of cells performing a specific function. ठीक है? चलो. So guys, time to go to the Menti. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 5635344. 5635344. Come on. 5635344. Cytosol is the cytoplasmic liquid. ठीक है आनंद? Hi Malala, thank you so much. What happened? What is going on? क्या हुआ सार्थक? Who did someone tell anything? So national park is protected by the government. ठीक है? Wildlife and it is created, whereas wildlife sanctuary is a natural habitat. It's already there and they protect it. ठीक है? Biosphere reserve is the area for conservation of resources. ठीक है? Hello Dharmin, yes, obviously I do remember you. You are one of the pro players of the Menti. Come on, hi Namrata from Jharkhand. Welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders. Hello, hi Siddhant, Gupta, Chaitanya, Science How. Khanak, just go to www.menti.com and use the code 5635344. Suicide bags are lysosomes. They are the cell organelles. Happiest birthday Pradnya Ranjan. Happiest birthday to you. The code is to be put on www.menti.com 5635344. Cell membrane का दूसरा नाम है plasma membrane. It is also called as plasma lemma. Stroma is the liquid part. Mitochondria के अंदर भी stroma होता है. Hi Sneha Singh, hi Astha. Hello. Biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals. Hi Anusha. Anusha, hello. Hello. Hi Nampreet. Thank you so much, Siddhant. Thank you. Vulnerable species are the species with the endangered. जिनको नहीं आपने प्रोटेक्ट किया तो वो खत्म हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? चलो. So guys, quick, very quick. Vani Smart 5635344 is the code of the Menti, right? Hi Ananya Rajput, thank you so much. Happiest birthday Ayansh. Hello. Ume Sumaya, high five. Endangered are the ones which are on danger. Thank you so much, Umang. Thank you. Cell organelle are the parts of the cell. Anton van Leeuwenhoek used to call them animalcules. Hi Rais from Jammu Kashmir. Hello. Organelles are the parts of the cell. Hi Aban, Sanvi. Hello. Chalo guys, let us start. Chalo, let's start. So we have already got more than 250. Let us start the Menti. And there you go. A place in environment where an organism lives. Where an organism lives. What is it called? Home, resort, habitat or reservoir. Where an organism lives. Endemic species are Sridevi, the species that belong to a particular area. Like giraffe belongs to Australia. Like kangaroo. Kangaroo belongs to Australia. Koala belongs to Australia. Right? Thank you so much, Arjun. Thank you, Arzu. Thank you so much. God bless you. ठीक है चलो so guys very good more than 230 of you are correct it is called a habitat and with that we have the leaderboard where we have got Metal, Sakura, Vaibhav, Az, Skids, Android, Nemo, Ishan, Sakshi and Tom. Metal is the fastest and there is a tie between Vaibhav and AS. There is a tie between An, Nemo, Ishan, Sakshi and Tom. Quite a tie apple pie. ठीक है 3, 2, 1. Next question on your screen now. Thank you so much, Zing Gangster. Oh, Vansh, play the Menti and then go. I'm good, Himanshu. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nishtha. Thank you. Chalo. Very good. Cutting of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. Very good. Absolutely amazing, guys. We move on to the leaderboard. Kalakari Adda YT, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, Ritika, Vaibhav, Kishan. Okay, Ritika, Kalakari Adda, Vaibhav, Kishan, Mitrava. Happy Republic Day to you. Nawaz, Hardik, Sharanya, Maverick, and Shaurya. So that is the leaderboard, and Ritika is leading the leaderboard with 5 points, with a tie between Kalakari Ada and Vaibhav, and Kishan, Mitrava, Nawaz, and Kishan, Mitrava, and Nawaz, and a tie between Sharanya and Maverick. That's amazing. Chalo. So guys, let us move on to the next question. Absolutely free question number 3. Thank you, Gayatri Mudri. Thank you so much. So fauna means what? I already told you what is fauna. It is plants, animals, both or none. What is fauna? What is fauna? Plants, animals, both or none. Very good. More than 200 students are absolutely correct about it. That the answer is animals. So fauna is animals, flora is the plants. Okay. So Ritika, Vaibhav, Kishan, Mitrava, Liana, Sharanya, Shaurya, Sanjita, Ananya, Rajput, and Ved. Ananya Rajput, thank you so much. God bless you. And yes, me, you win. Right? So Ananya is the fastest. Vaibhav is the fastest. Ritika is leading the leaderboard. Kishan and Mitrava and Liana, there is a tie. Sharanya and Shaurya, there is a tie. Ananya and Sanchita, there is a tie. And Ritika is leading the leaderboard. Right? Chalo. With that, we move on to the next question. That is question number 4 on your screen, coming in 3, 2, 1, shoot. Shiva, just go to menti.com and use the code 5635344. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by, who separates the nucleus? Nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, organs, or the cell membrane? That's quite easy. That's quite easy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Amazing. So it is the nuclear membrane. It is the nuclear membrane that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. That separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Hi Bidu Smita. Hello. ठीक है चलो so guys that is the nuclear membrane which is not present in prokaryotes. So we have got Ritika, Vaibhav, Mitrava, Kishan, Sharanya, Ananya, Alyona, Ved, Pihu, Akash. Akash, thank you so much. Akash, Ritika, thank you so much. Mitrava, you are leading the leaderboard, but there's a tie between Mitrava and Ritika, right? And there's a tie between Ved and Ananya. That's it. So let us see. And let us move ahead with question number 5 coming on your screen now. The liquid material in the nucleus is chromosome, bacteria, nucleoplasm or nucleolus. What is in the nucleus, inside the nucleus? ठीक है Okay, it is nucleoplasm. The liquid in the nucleus is nucleoplasm. The liquid in the cell is cytoplasm, right? Thank you so much, Sanvi. है ना? चलो. Moving on to the leaderboard, we have got Mitrava, Ritika, Vaibhav, Ved, Kishan, Pihu, Sharanya, Zainab, Az and Kalakari Ada. Mitrava, Pihu and Kalakari Ada, you guys are the fastest. And Mitrava is leading the leaderboard, whereas we have got a tie between Kalakari Ada and Kishan and Zainab and AS. That's great. Chalo. So guys, moving on to the question number 6. Let us fix. On your screen now. Cells present in a living organism differ in number, shape, size or all of these. Cells differ in number, shape, size or all of these. Okay, very good, very good. See guys, some organisms are unicellular, some organisms are multicellular. Some shapes are spindle shaped like the muscle cells, some cells are long in shape like the neuron. Okay? Some cells are very big like the female ovum, some cells are very small like the male sperm, right? So cells differentiate in number, shape and size. Which brings me to the leaderboard where I've got Mitrava, Ritika, Sharanya, Kalakari Ada, Kishan, AS, Zainab, Vaibhav, Ved and Manas. Ritika, oh my god, and now the leaderboard has changed. Ritika is leading the leaderboard with 6 points. Okay, so let's see who wins the Menti. So directly from the heaven, question number 7. Starting now. Hi Samita. Karthik, just go to menti.com and use the code 5635344. Come on, come on. Which cells lack nuclear membrane? I told you this during the Menti. Very good. It is the prokaryotic cells. Example, bacteria. ठीक है? So looking at the leaderboard, we have got Ritika, Mitrava, Ved, AS, Zainab, Kalakari Ada, Sharanya, Manas, Kishan and Vaibhav. And I think, yeah, Ved is the fastest and Ritika, congratulations, you are the winner of the Menti. Congratulations, Ritika. Ritika, and thank you so much for writing my name in your username. Congratulations. Super proud of you. Great job. Amazing feat, Ritika. Great. Super. Right? Now, moving back to the slides. Let me tell you guys, this is just a demo. If you want to learn a lot more, if you want to have so much of fun, because Vedantu believes that जब मजा आता है तभी समझ आता है और जब समझ आता है तभी मजा आता है. No doubt we have fun in the YouTube classes, but wave is, it's just wave, right? So if you want to learn on wave from me and all the other teachers of Vedantu, you can go in the link which is pinned in the chat and use the discount code PRPRO. Right? So the discount code is PRPRO, and for a month you just pay rupees 2159. With that, guys, you can follow me on Telegram, and thank you so much for following me on Instagram and making it a family of more than 1000. Keep following, and I'll make sure that I respond to all the messages on Instagram very soon. Right? So you can follow me at Pritesh_Vedantu. That's my Insta handle. Follow me on follow me on Instagram and subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. Right here on the, right here you can see the logo of the channel. That is the subscribe button. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders and let us make this channel the household name of India. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see more of you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Good night.